Hey folks, Dr. D here. So we're back after quite a bit of a hiatus. So here's what we're doing today. I have some new headlights for a 83 BMW 321i. When I ordered these headlights, they came with some halogens. And so these halogens are over here, because what I wanted to do was to swap out the halogens, which are here, for some LEDs. This was relatively plug and play, so I'll tell you what I got. So I got two sets of this part number for my low beams, and then I got for the LED replacements, so the actual headlights were from eBay, and the LED replacements were from Amazon. Here's the part that I got. They are 9003 Hotel 4 Hotel Bravo 2, and these are Oxito. They are actually relatively plug and play. The only headache I had, which was just probably me being stupid, the headlights were not coming on unless I had the key in the ignition. That was a little frustrating because I actually thought that I had some sort of a odd issue with the polarity of the LEDs. I didn't. I just had to put the key in, and here they are. So we have a grill all trim painted, and we have our new LEDs in place, which makes me very happy. And so the next thing to do here is just to get the kidney on and these guys covered up. I think we're ready to go. All right, folks. Hope to see you on the road. Take care.